I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. On your iPhone, turn on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and enable Siri so voice control works. Unlock the phone and keep it awake. Make sure you have the correct USB cable or confirm your Altima supports wireless CarPlay. In the car, turn the infotainment on and navigate to the smartphone connectivity or CarPlay menu. This gets the system ready to pair. Once done, plug in the cable or start the wireless pairing sequence as the immediate next step. Now you connect and grant permissions. If wired, insert the cable into the vehicle USB labeled for smartphone or CarPlay. If wireless, start Bluetooth pairing in the infotainment and select your iPhone. On your iPhone, you'll see a CarPlay prompt. Tap Allow and follow any on-screen directions. On the Altima, accept the connection and enable CarPlay. Make sure to grant microphone access for Siri and allow notifications if you want messages read aloud. Once paired, the CarPlay interface should appear automatically on the display. Finish by customizing and testing. On your iPhone, go to Settings, General CarPlay to arrange apps and set default navigation. Test Siri, make a call, and play music to confirm audio routing. If the system won't connect, check for a damaged cable and swap it for an Apple certified one. Restart both the iPhone and the Altima's infotainment unit, and if necessary, reset CarPlay in settings. One key tip: a faulty or non-MFI cable is the most common connection problem. Replace it first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.